What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. This is the AWEI fast data cable CL 930. It is a 20 cm. This is micro USB and lightning cable, which mean iPhone cable and micro USB cable. So okay, let me open from here. It seems quite easy. And then here we go. Okay, here's the cable. So yeah, okay, this is the cable. As you can see, micro USB and iPhone lightning cable. What else better you want in your life? 2-in-1 micro USB and lightning cable. Okay, let me just close this one. Yeah, so okay, there's nothing. Okay, yeah, that's all. I mean, that's quick review. Should you buy? Definitely I will say yes. A simple short cable which I can easily recommend it. And it was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. Subscribe and buy. Also let me know in the comment section box below which is your favorite brand for a cheap micro USB, lightning or USB-C cable. Subscribe and bye.